So good morning.
Ubos na.
Good morning, Sanutobal. So what are you doing right now? So he's been given a task to wash the glasses of water in relation also to this event. So he's dishwasher right now. So he's also being asked to be a cook for today, and he also prepared those chicken, those three chickens, I think, whole chickens. He's the one responsible on cooking it. So yeah, that's his job for today. So is there anything you want to say, Sanatobal, Brett? So he's a shy guy for now, but when he drank a little bit of wine or tender wine, he knows how to talk. So this is our vehicle for when we want to go to this place, because it's 15 kilometers away from Trinidad, and especially at night. So there are times that we will go home at night, and we want to have a safety precaution measures or signals, or something like that. So I put some reflectorized tape. So yeah, so it really helps a lot, because vehicles, especially at night when it's too dark, so yeah, they will easily spotted you and can easily be aware that you are in the road, especially right now that it's only this vehicle has only one headlight, and it's in the center. And vehicles might think that it's a motorcycle, but it's a trike. It's a long trike. So what are you doing for now? So Sanubaning is wrapping the milkfish or bangus with
Banana leaves.
banana leaves.
It will be protected so that the fish will not burn easily.
Yeah. So he don't want to use tin foil, because he wants the natural taste of the leaves. He wants. So he also cooks. He also likes to cook big fish. Fish with 2 pieces for 1 kilo.
There will be, this will eventually be another postpone. I don't know what to do. There are some old person there. I said, no more everything.
So yeah, that's
But from here is 22 kilometers. No,
15
yeah, sobra.
from Trinidad.
Mga 16 kilometers.
Okay. Ay, nasa munisipyo man to, from municipality, and we are 1 kilometer away from the municipality proper. So it's 15. It's still 15 kilometers.
These are the grandchildren of my wife. I don't know my wife because I am
So
suspected.
Dwight, what are you going to say? So you want to say
I am
something?
suspected
Yes.
children.
Yes. So what are you doing?
Just start jumping. I'm going to Google right now.
Ato bang? Come. Come here.
In English, but why?
Di mo English na. Higarap in English. Nga no ba?
In English.
Hmm? Ungi ka?
My brother. My nephew.
Say something, bro. Why you're here, and what's your plan?
I wanted to play with my friend Dwight because I want to play spiders because it's so cool. You fight them, it's so cool too.
Okay. So you're playing Roblox?
Yeah, I'm gonna play Roblox at home.
Yeah. Can you introduce yourself, your name, and how old are you?
Ahmed and I'm Gobilsi Ibaok. I live in Trinidad. So,
Bye bye. So that's all. That's it, guys.
Isa kanta-kanta barong dito naghapon.
So I think that's it for today's vlog. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow also. So see you in the next video. Goodbye. Ciao.